Everyone, this is Lincoln, and right now I'm in a place called Watangday, and this place is very famous for the electronics market. And the only reason I'm here today because of my new phone. I've just got my new Samsung Z Fold from the Samsung official website, and on the website I've seen some promotions about the back phones, which was mesmerizing and really looked cool on the website. So let's see what they can offer to us. Let's go have a look inside. Come on, look. So let's go look inside.
Hello, can I help you?
Yeah, sure. I've just got this Samsung Z Flip 3 from your official website store, and I've also seen something about the back phones, and I'm really interested to know about it. Could you help me?
Yeah, of course. Here are the back pins.
Ah. So this back pins are from Rockspace, right?
Yeah, from Rockspace.
Mm.
And actually, here are two mobile phones installed with our back pins. You
Oh,
can
really?
try, yes.
Yeah, let me have a look. Oh wow, this looks really good on the phone. Have a closer look. Almost nice. It also has some 3D effects and some coloring effects. You can see. And you can really feel the pattern on your hands.
You can choose the pins here.
What do we have here? So many different patterns. I guess this one's blending. Okay, let me have a closer look with my phone. I guess I'll have this one. So how do I apply this on my phone?
We cut the film with this cutting machine. It's very simple.
Really? Cutting back films with machines? Sounds interesting for me. Well, let's see how the machines work.
Firstly, we fit the back film into the portal.
Okay, that's easy.
And then you can see we have so many brands.
Okay, sounds interesting.
Huawei.
So how many designs do you have installed in this machine?
Over 17,000.
17,000. That's quite a lot.
Yeah, you can have a try.
Okay, so there are so many brands in here. Some unknown brands like Apple, Huawei, and there are lots of unknown brands. Seems so easy. I guess I already know how to find Samsung here. Go for the S, and here you go, Samsung.
So just input your model number.
So my model is the Flip 3. Here you go. And there are also so many options inside as well.
Like those screen protector, also back things.
I'll go for the back phone. I guess I'll choose this one. Press OK. And done. So how long does it take to cut the film?
30 seconds.
That's quick. Can't wait to see how it will look on my phone. Oh, I guess you'll like it. And the back film looks very nice. I like the pattern as well. It looks high-end and makes my phone look more charming. And it is also providing me a good grip on the phone. I was told that this Rockspace film cutting machine has been used in so many Samsung retail stores all over China. And the most interesting part is this Rockspace film cutting machine has been sold over 40,000 retail stores in all over the world in over 100 plus countries. So what are you waiting for? Just get your phone or tablet and get it protected. I bet you'll like it.